Hello and welcome to Finance 101. On today's episode on Road to 10K. So, as promised, I'm going to buy a fractional share of Amazon. And also, I got paid dividend by Bristol and Myers and DIV. So, if you look down here, there's Bristol and Myers here that paid me the dividend. It wasn't much, but at least it's something. So, let's see how Bristol and Myers is doing. So, I'm up $10 on that one, and on DIV I am up $18. And one thing is, when they pay the dividend, I think it was like 17 cents or something, but on their next dividend is going to be 20 cents. That's another one to look out for. And also, Apple is set to pay a dividend very soon. So as promised, let's just go straight ahead and buy Amazon. So as you can see down here, I deposited $100, and the dividend I got both together came to $3. So I'm gonna try and use all of it to buy Amazon fractional shares right now. So we simply just go to search over here, and as you can see, the fractional trading here. So we just view all. You want to see all the list, and you can simply type it in Amazon if you know it, or you can just go down the list and you come right, you click on Amazon here. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see, it's saying fractional trading available. So we're just gonna buy. You're gonna go to buy over here, and when you go to buy, you're gonna use a TFSA. That's where the money is. So you go to next on that one, and on top here, when they say market buy, you're gonna check it and use fractional buy. So okay, so we go continue now, and because $103 I had was Canadian, we only have $80.78 US to use. So let's just use it all. Go 80.78. So we go continue. Okay, so let's go back. Let's just try 80 and see what happens, because they're probably going to try to take something from it. Continue. Okay, that works. So you just confirm. And it's all that. The market hasn't opened yet, so I'm waiting for the market to open and it will get filled. So if you go down here, you're gonna see that it will be filled on August 9th by the end of the day. So I'm not sure when it's gonna get filled, but I'll update you that on the next video. So that was just showing you how simple it is to buy fractional share of Amazon on Wealthsimple. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Peace.